The next problem is, that is the fifth problem. What is integral of root of 21 plus 12x minus 9x square into dx? This is a problem. So first, what is this form is 12x solution, that is root of 21 plus 12x minus 9x square. This can be written in order, that is nothing but what is the order? The order is ax square plus bx plus c. So convert form ax square plus bx plus c. So that is nothing but minus 9x square plus 12x plus 20. So here what is the first step? The first step is step 1. The first step is, here we take the coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? The coefficient of x square is minus 9. So take coefficient of x square, that is nothing but a minus 9 as a common. So therefore it can be written as a minus 9 into x square minus 12 by 9 into x minus 21 by 9. So taken, this is the equation and root. Then we have a root is involved here, and here there is a root. So first taken 9 as a outside, we get 3 into minus of x square minus 12 by 9x minus 21 by 9 into dx. Okay, step 2. What is step 2? The step 2 is x square minus 12x, if this is a 1, 12 by 9 minus 21 by 9. This can be convert into x square plus or minus a square form. So for that, first you write that x square minus 12 by 9 x minus 21 by 9. This can be written as x square minus 2a and b. The b value is nothing but a what is the b value? The b value is equal to 6 by 9. The b value is nothing but 6 by 9. Okay, for easy simplification, for convenient to convert, this value x square minus 12 by 9. 12 by 9 is nothing but that is 3 3 jar 6 divided by 3 here, 3 4 jar 3 3 jar into x minus 21. For 21 it is nothing but 7 by 3. It is nothing but 7 by 3 divided by, for convenient it is divided by 3 here. This is 3 3 jar and 3 7 jar, and this is nothing but 3 3 jar 3 4 jar. That is we can write that x square minus 4 by 3 x minus 7 by 3. So this is convert into, that is x square minus 4 by 3x minus 7 by 3. It is converted into that x square plus or minus a square form. For that we written as x square minus 2ab, 2a, b value is nothing but convenient. It is nothing but a 2 by 3 whole square. 2 by 3, 2 into 2, 4 by 3. We get that 4 by 3 here. That is nothing but a b value is equal to 2 by 3 here. So we get that 2 by 3 whole square minus 2 by 3 whole square and minus 7 by 3. So up to this part here we use the formula for a minus b whole square. So for a minus b whole square we get that a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we get that x minus 2 by 3 whole square minus 4 by 9 minus 7 by 3. So this can be written as x minus 2 by 3 whole square, and we take that 9 minus taken as outside. Sorry, here there is a minus sign is involved. This is a minus. It is a minus, and here the LCM is equal to 9, so it can be written as a 4 and 3, yeah, that is a 21 here. So we get that x minus 2 by 3 whole square minus 21 plus 4, that is nothing but 25 by 9, and 25 by 9 can be written as in terms of square. How it can be written in terms of square? That is nothing but a 5 by 3 whole square. So finally the x square minus 21 by 9x, this is nothing but x square minus 12 by x minus 21 by 9. It will be converted into, finally it is converted into x minus 2 by 3 whole square minus 5 by 3 whole square. But here from 1 what is the 1? The 1 is nothing but 3 into minus of that is x minus 2 by 3 whole square minus 5 by 3 whole square. That is nothing but 3 into, if we are multiplying by minus, we get that 5 by 3 whole square minus x minus 2 by 3 whole square. This form is root. So what is the original? The original is, what is the given question? The given question is integral of root of 21x plus 12x minus 9x square. This is the original given question. It is nothing but 3 into integral of 5 by 3 whole square minus x minus 2 by 3 whole square. That is the integral of, what is the form here? What is the standard form? The standard form is the integral of root of a square minus x square. A square minus x square. We know that what is the formula? The formula is x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a. And here we comparing that a value is equal to, compare a is equal to, what is the a value? A value is equal to 5 by 3 and x value is equal to x minus 2 by 3. So substitute the values. If I am taking, this is a 1, substitute a and x in 1, we get that that is x minus 2 by 3 by 2 root of a square minus x square, that is nothing but a 5 by 3 whole square minus x square, x minus 2 by 3 whole square plus a square by 2, that is nothing but a 5 by 3 whole square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a, x minus 2 by 3 by a value is equal to 5 by 3. So after simplification, simplify, after simplify, that we get that 3x minus 2 divided by 6 root of 21 plus 12x minus 9x square plus this value is equal to 25 by 6 sin inverse of 3x minus 2 by 5. So after completion of this integration, we can add C.